So what's poppin', what's dropping, Alicia World Gang? Today, you already know by the title, I will be giving you some ideas for some quarantine videos for YouTube. So let's jump right into it. Alright, before I start, make sure you get your notepad out, your pencil, your glasses if you need them. Sit down, sit tight, and watch it till the end. Thank you. Okay, so idea number 1 is a cook with me video. While we're in quarantine, everybody is hungry, okay? Everybody eating. We getting a little chubby, but it's okay. Do a cook with me so people can see how to cook what you want to eat. Like, we want to eat something, I don't know how to cook it. A lot of people like those videos. So if you cook breakfast, show you cooking breakfast. If you cook lunch, different types of food you can cook. Seafood, a lot of people like seafood. Do those videos and I'm telling you, a lot of people will like that. Okay, I know I just said that we be getting chubby, right? I know. Well, a video that will help that is an exercise video. Okay, so show you how do you exercise in quarantine. I don't know. But however you exercise, do a routine. Show people what's a better way to get abs. Show people what's a better way to lose weight during quarantine. Come on now. So that is a video idea for y'all. If you're into exercising, that's a good video. All right, so the next one is if you do hair. Oh, this is very important to us girls and guys. Like, everybody be doing this, okay? If you know how to do hair, please help me. Help me out, okay? Do a hair tutorial, okay? We all looking kind of rough right now. You see this? We all looking rough. So if you know how to do hair, please help. I'm begging you. Just do a video where you show hairstyles, different hairstyles you can do. If you a guy and you cut hair, even if you a girl and cut hair, show how to cut hair. Because a lot of these guys in quarantine, oh, man. All right, but do a hair tutorial. It will be very helpful to all of y'all, all of us that's looking crusty, okay? Okay, after that, after the hair tutorial, for us girls and guys, if y'all do makeup now, you can do a makeup tutorial. Show us how do you put eyelashes on, how do you do your eyebrows. Show these things. People, everybody, they're gonna be thanking you, like, thank you, thank you. Okay, you helping them, so after makeup, in makeup, I'm gonna just say it already, you can also do nails. So if you do nails, do a tutorial on it. Show them how to do them nails, okay? All right, next, a coronavirus skit. So if you're into comedy and you like to do funny stuff, you can do a coronavirus skit. So it's not really hard to do skits. You know, you just think of a plot, you think of what you want to see happen, what's funny, and then you just make it. It's not that hard. I did one on, the cleaning, so you can check that video out for an example, okay? So next one would be DIYs. Oh my gosh, these videos are very helpful right now. So some ideas within the DIYs that you can do is how to make the masks, the little the mask thingies.
The things that go on your face.
Them, okay? So you can do a video showing how to do that. I did that. Check it out, go check it out. Okay, so I did that video, and I think it was very helpful. A lot of people probably feel like that, we need that right now, because I'm not about to sit up here and pay no $10 for one mask. Are you serious? Really? What a waste. Wow. Okay, but for real, do a DIY on the mask. If you know how to make sanitizer, do a how-to for that. It's so many things you can do to help people right now, so do that. So the next video I got here is something that I found today, which is an introvert versus extrovert skit. So just do a funny video that make people, you know, see how introvert versus extrovert people act in quarantine, and put your little twist on it. Go search up some other video, and then, you know, add your twist to it. So yeah, keep it original though. All right. So yeah, next would be movie and TV show suggestion. Very helpful because we are stuck inside, and I mean, if you got Netflix, Hulu, you really can use anything. If you got cable, give people some ideas on movies that they can watch. So if you on Netflix, do like a top 10 movie idea, like do a top 10 movie suggestion. It's that simple. Get your favorite movies that you thought was good. Don't get no trash stuff, okay? Don't get no trash videos. Don't be like, oh yeah, go see this movie, and then it be trash, and then they look at it like, what is this? No. Get some good videos that you like and promote them. Yeah. If you got Netflix, Hulu, watching them on YouTube, promote them, all right? So next, how to edit. Very helpful. A lot of people now are trying to start YouTube channels, okay? They're trying to start. So give them somewhere to start. Show them that this is, you know, how you do things. It's so easy to edit videos. It's really no excuse. Really. If you got a phone, tablet, Kindle, iPod, DS, I don't know. There's so many different ways that you can edit. Show people, okay? So do a how to edit. And within that, you can also show them how to make their own thumbnails, intros, outros. It's so much stuff you can do. Next, I would say, is a quarantine vlog. Quarantine vlogs are good because a lot of people like to see how you doing right now. So you can literally just get up, grab your camera, and just record your whole day. It's like a routine. So whatever you do every day, just record. Not every day, but you know, whatever. Y'all know what I'm saying, you know? All right. So yeah, just record, you know, your day, how it go, and people will like that. All right, next. Reaction to scary videos, scary YouTube videos. So I watch Mr. Nightmare and some other YouTubers that got like scary channels, and it's really good if you get reaction videos out. A lot of people like to see our reaction because they might have reacted the same way, and like, I wonder did they react the same way. So yeah, they would love to see a reaction video. Okay, now I just said scary stories. I'm gonna get on to something else. So the next idea would be you telling your own scary story. So if you ever came in contact with like a ghost or something, tell your story. If you ever, you know, had a scary occurrence, tell your story, okay? Or if you just got like a childhood scary story that you want to say out loud, here's the time. Okay, the next one would be story times. So it's not the scary story times, but it's just regular story times. So if you know, recall your first day at middle school, or your first day in high school, or the first time that you ever got into a fight or anything like that, do a story time on it. A lot of people be looking for story times, you know. I be looking for story times. I know a lot of other people be like, okay, I'm finna eat, I'm finna go on YouTube, and I want to hear somebody's story. Like, people be looking for story times. So do a story time. Alright, so next, mukbang or mukbang. I don't even know how to say it. Like, I say mukbang. Oh my gosh, they are so popular right now. Mukbang and ASMR. Yeah, those two are very, very popular. People are getting paid to eat. Come on. Who wouldn't want to get paid to eat? You know, we all sitting inside right now. We all eating. I know you eating. I know you're eating a lot. Put that chip bag down. Alright, so next, if you are a gamer or even if you're not a gamer, do a gaming video. A lot of kids, teens, right now, they I don't know. So if you play Sims, GTA, 2K, Fortnite, Call of Duty, the Wii, Super Mario's, it's so many games that you can play and record.
If you are under 18 or over 18 and you have a basketball hoop in the back of your yard.
In the back of your yard. I'm telling you, in the back of your yard. Not across the street at the park. I'm telling you, if you have one in the back of your yard, then do a basketball video. Okay? For all my basketball, I got my mic. For all my basketball players, okay? Girl or boy, I don't care. There's no excuse to not be playing basketball right now. Be safe about it. Don't go out here with no mask and stuff. You just I don't know. So the next idea will be a playlist. Oh my gosh, these are so good. But I don't want to do one because you can get copyrighted off of it playing somebody else's music. But it's a lot of people doing it. So if you want to do it, hey, risk it. You know, do it. This is the last one. Okay. So if you are musically talented, or if you're not even talented, do a music video. Alright? We got time. We got time to edit. Do a music video. I did one. You can go check it out. Okay? So I did a music video on the coronavirus. Very simple. You find your words, you put it, together, you add some music. Make sure it's not copyrighted though, but do you. Do a music video. I don't care if you can't sing, just title your video as a comedy. Don't put under music. It's like, nah, but really, if you like to sing, rap, whatever type of music, you could also do covers to music. So that's another idea. So it's so much you can do. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe to the Alicia World Gang. And make sure you check in the description down below, because I have merch, okay? So go get you some merch. It says what's poppin', what's droppin'. So go get you some merch. We're out of here. We are. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go watch me a scary movie. Yeah. All right, we about to go. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Ugh.